How to make your Asus laptop faster. What's up everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you guys a few methods that you can do to make your Asus laptop faster and much smoother. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your task manager. So go ahead and click on your search bar and search for task manager, or you can just right click on your taskbar and then open your task manager from here. Now on the left side of your screen you can see different icons. You want to go ahead and click on this one, the startup apps, and it will show up all of your downloaded apps right here and their status. So if they have startup enabled, you can just right click and disable the startups and find all of the apps that have by default enabled the startup. You can disable those to make your device faster. Now the other thing that you can do is go ahead and search for system configuration and open this. It will open up a dialog box. Now from here you want to head over to the services tab, and what you want to do is first of all hide all of the Microsoft services, and you will see different kind of services that are enabled right here. You can disable the ones that you don't need and then click on OK, or you can disable all as well. Click on OK. Now you can restart your PC. I'm just going to exit without restart for now. And after that, what you can do is go ahead and open your registry editor app. So just search for registry editor and give this the admin permission. And now from here, what you can do is go all the way to the top and open up your HKey local machine, and you will see right here different folders. You can go ahead and click on hardware, and from here you can open this folder and then search for control panel. Tap on this drop down and head over to the mouse control. So just click on mouse, and here you will see your mouse hover time. Just double click on it and set the value data to a lower value. So I'm just going to set it to 10 and then click on OK. Once you do this, go ahead and select the desktop as well, and then from here if you scroll down a bit you will see this option, desktop menu delay, right here on this list. So just search for desktop menu delay and just click on this right here. Once you double click here on menu show delay, you can set the value to 10 as well on here and click on OK. And after you do all of this, your PC should be much faster. Just make sure to give your PC a quick restart and then you're good to go. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.